This short video will explain how you can embed Gemline's product videos into your own website. It's really as simple as cutting and pasting, and once the video is embedded, your customers will be able to view it right on your website. This is much better than putting a link to the video on YouTube. If you use a link, it means that when a visitor clicks on that link, they'll leave your website and be redirected to YouTube. That means there's a good chance they may not find their way back to your site again. Let me show you how easy it is. Just one note. In this video, I'm using a Mac computer. Since all we need is a web browser, I'm using Safari in this instance, the procedure is exactly the same if you work on a Windows PC and use Explorer, Firefox, or any one of the other popular browsers. The first thing you want to do is go to gemline.com, which I have open here, and locate the product video you want to embed. Let's say I want to embed the Impulse sports bag. I'll type Impulse in the search bar. When the product I want comes up, click on the product. And when I get to the product web page, click on Product Video. Gemline uses a pretty cool pop-up video tool on their site. There are lots of low-cost tools like this available if you ever want to do something similar on your own site. If I click the play button here, the video will start playing. I'm going to pause it because there's really no reason to have the video playing during this process. In the bottom right hand corner you see the YouTube watermark. That indicates that this video is being hosted on YouTube. As a matter of fact, Gemline hosts all its product videos on YouTube, so you can use this same procedure to embed any of their product videos on your site. To get to the YouTube video, which you need to do in order to get the embed code, just double click right on top of the video itself. Once again, I paused the video because there's really no reason to have it playing during this process. Just below the video itself, you'll see a button that says Share. Click on that button, and below that and just to the right is the button for Embed. Click on that. Right below that, you see the embed code automatically show up. As a matter of fact, it's already highlighted for easy copying and pasting. But before we do that, let's look at a couple of the options YouTube gives you. The first one is Show Suggested Videos when the video finishes. If that one is clicked, I would uncheck it. What that does is when the video is finished playing on your website, if that one is selected, it'll give the viewer options for other videos that YouTube thinks the viewers may be interested in. There's really no benefit to you to have YouTube try and get the viewers to leave your website to go see other YouTube videos. The other three options here should also be unchecked. The only one I want to point out is the last one, Use Old Embed Code. If you have a pretty old website or your website was built on an older platform, you may need to use the old style embed code. If that's the case, you would check that and you would see that the code up here actually changed to a different style code. Watch when I uncheck it. The only way you'll really know if you need to use the older style code is to try the new style on your website first, and if it doesn't work properly, repeat this procedure, but repeat it using the old style code. Below those options, YouTube gives you options for what size you want the video to be when it plays on your website. Generally speaking, the smallest size should work fine for most websites. The videos that Gemline produces are very high quality and will look great at any size. If you're going to feature a product, then you may want to choose one of the larger sizes. But for this demonstration, I'm going to stay with the smaller size. As you select different options, the embed code above changes automatically to reflect any options you select and any options you unselect. Once you've selected the options you want, simply go back up to the embed code above, highlight the entire code, and then either do Edit Copy or do a right-click copy. Once you have this code copied, you'll need to open the source code for your web page, or if your website uses a content management system, like the systems that come with WordPress or other popular open source web development platforms, open up the page where you want to add the video in the content management system. To demonstrate, here's a very simple page I created, leaving space in the middle for the embedded video. Now what I'll do is I'm going to minimize this for a second and open up the source code for that page I designed. I can open up the source code for this page using any HTML editor. In this case, I'm using the text edit program that comes on every Mac computer. I'll scroll down to the spot I want the video to appear and paste the embed code I copied from YouTube. Now if I go back to the web page, you can see the video now appears.
Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm a designer here at Gemline, and I'm here to introduce.
If you're not the person responsible for maintaining your site, it's probably not a good idea to muck around with the HTML code. You can simply paste the code you copied from YouTube into an email and send it off to your IT department or web developer with some instructions on where you want the video to be embedded on your site. So as you can see, embedding a Gemline product video is a fairly simple process. But if you have any questions at all, please talk to your Gemline sales rep.